Hi guys. This is a part of our Bible verse today. Because he's so powerful and awesome and holy God. Because he's the best Lord. He's the best. Okay, guys, you don't need Bible now. The title Lord right now. Okay. Dear Lord, thank you for this Bible verse today. And thank you for you are the best, Lord. You are the best. You, you are the best, Lord. You are the best. In His name we pray, Amen. Okay, guys, I don't need the Bible right now. He's so powerful, awesome, and holy God. Because He's the best, Lord. He's the best. Okay, let's go. In the 7th year of Sarah, who became king, and he ruled in Hazarim for 50 years. His mother name is Sarah. She is from Hazarim. Sarah is Sarah. She had from Sarah. Sarah did not delight in the eyes of the Lord. Of the days like her, the face judged him in high places. However, they not decided the people started to Sarah and bone charged here. Sarah said to the thief, "Delete all the money and the light and sacrifices at the temple of the Lord." The money started in the service, the money charges from several fools, and the money billed ready to the temple, and any piece tally and to the temple, and any piece save the money from one of the sizes, then lose into the other sizes as found in the temple. But by the 33rd year of King Cyrus, the thieves still had not started the temple. The King Cyrus the thieves as there are thieves and has them. Why did you supply the saints done to the temple? Take no more money from the thieves, but had it other in the temple. The thieves says that they would not collect any more money from the people, and that they would not visit the temple. Some says, the thieves took the thieves' taste and built a hole in the lid. He sees it outside the altar on the right side of there is the temple of the Lord. That is put into the test of all the money that they was built to the temple of the Lord. Here they saw that there is the large talent of money in the test. The value study and the high things come that the money that had been thrown into the temple of the Lord and put it into bags. Then the David had done David. They have the money to the men David to lose the log on the temple. Live is thy Lord, the thirties, the brothers, the sandals, thy thirties, the dogs, of the gone of the center of the temple of the Lord. And spent all the center of the temple, they the money brought into the temple is not that the making the thoughts like that is taking both sides of that is taking they are that is adult or theta so the temple this is the temple they did not that is there that is for these the long days they that is live that is Saturday the money for the thought that is a sin the money for the thought that is the sin that is not thrown into the temple for the Lord. It is in the face delivered this time that is key of Adam led up to us to take that is and to it from the turn to take them. But the king of Sarah took all the sword that is by his sides, Salam and Sarah, the kings of Sarah, and the deeds of himself had David had all the doors found in the service of the temple of the Lord, and of the Pharisees, and he sent them to the king of Edom, who then Daniel the David is for the other that is of the land of Judah, and all he did they not ready in the book of the names of the kings of Zerah. He started against him and started him at the shadow of the Lord down to Zerah, the Psalist who started him there, Sarai's son of Sarah, and Sarah's son of Sarah. He died, and his body from leave his service in the city of David. His Sarah's son started him as king. Yeah, because he's more powerful and awesome and holy than God. Because he's the best Lord. He's the best. He's the best Lord. Okay, guys. Okay, guys. I don't need the lights on now. Okay, dear Lord, thank you for that for me and for Sally. And thank you. You're the best Lord. You're the best. You are the best Lord. Because you are the best Lord. He's the best. In this time, amen. Okay, guys. If you like this, I would like a comment, a share, and a like to my channel because they're more bubbly and about my life and my time and my games and my music and my city mom too. So, okay, guys, I'll do that. Bye. 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 Bye.